Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you log out of your Facebook account on this device or even on other devices that you had logged in on previously, today in this video I will show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method. So follow up with me till the very end, then let's jump right into it. Now, since we're going to be using the Facebook app on your mobile device, we need to get something out of the way first. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Find Facebook by searching for it just like that. Make sure we have the app updated or at least have one of the newer versions. After that, you can quit the store. Now finally open Facebook. Of course, you have to be logged into your account and then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to open the menu. And then from here, if you want to log out, just scroll down and tap on log out right here. Then tap on log out to confirm the action and you'll be good to go. If you want to log out from other devices, you can tap right here in the top right corner on this gear icon to go to settings, or instead scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings in the top right here. Once you got to settings, tap on see more in account center, of course, to open account center. From account center, go ahead and open password and security. Then tap on where you're logged in right here. Select your Facebook profile from these accounts. And from here, find the devices that you are logged in on currently. You can scroll down and tap on select devices to log out in the bottom. And then select the devices that you want to log out of. Just tap on them and then tap on log out in the bottom right here. You can even select all devices by tapping this button right there, and then again tap on log out and confirm by tapping login out, and that's how can you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comments section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video.